You and I must be exemplary because we are the followers of the one who Allah described, وَإِنَّكَ لَعَلَى خُلُقٍ عَظِيمٍ. Ya Muhammad, I destined for you, I created you to be the one who is on the exalted, unreachable, unblemished, highest standard of ethics, morality, and character. Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. The signs of good character is that it is a byproduct of your tawheed and submission to Allah. And therefore, a very important standard is tawheed, belief in Allah, knowing Allah is the one true God that we worship, that we hold our devotion to, the only one that we turn to asking for help and seeking assistance from. Having that as a belief increases our ethics and morality in our character, makes us accountable to our families and our friends and our neighbors and our enemies, makes us from those who seek to be pleasing to Allah so that He will allow us to be pleased in this life and the next. Husn al-khuluq is the greatest of acts of worship that is most neglected by humanity and human beings.